Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Mazda CX-5, one of the most popular and versatile SUVs on the market. With its sleek design, advanced technology, and impressive performance, the CX-5 is a standout in the compact SUV segment. Let's explore what makes it so special. The Mazda CX-5 showcases the brand's signature Kodo design language, which emphasizes elegance and motion. Its bold front grille, adaptive LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it a premium, athletic appearance. The available 19-inch alloy wheels and an array of vibrant color options, like Soul Red Crystal and Machine Gray Metallic, make the CX-5 an eye-catcher on the road. Step inside the CX-5, and you'll immediately notice its upscale interior. Soft-touch materials, genuine wood trim, in higher trims, and available Nappa leather upholstery create a luxurious cabin. The CX-5 seats 5 comfortably, with ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. Heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and dual-zone climate control ensure comfort year-round. The CX-5 comes packed with technology to keep you connected and entertained. The standard 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. Higher trims feature a Bose 10-speaker premium audio system, delivering crystal-clear sound. Plus, with features like a wireless phone charger and multiple USB ports, your devices will always stay powered up. The Mazda CX-5 offers two engine options, a standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 187 horsepower and a turbocharged version producing up to 256 horsepower with premium fuel. Both are paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. The CX-5's available active AWD system enhances traction and stability, making it perfect for all weather conditions and light off-road adventures. Plus, its G-Vectoring Control Plus technology provides sharp handling and a smooth ride. Safety is a priority for Mazda, and the CX-5 is no exception. It comes equipped with Mazda's iActive Sense suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims add features like a 360-degree camera and front and rear parking sensors for added convenience and peace of mind. The CX-5 is available in several trims, including the Base S, the Mid-Level Touring, and the fully loaded Signature trim. Prices start at around $28,000 for the base model and can go up to $40,000 for the top-tier trims with all the bells and whistles. For what it offers, the CX-5 provides excellent value for money. The Mazda CX-5 stands out in the crowded compact SUV market for its perfect blend of style, performance, and practicality. Whether you're a city commuter, a weekend adventurer, or someone who simply appreciates a refined driving experience, the CX-5 is a fantastic choice. That's all for today's deep dive into the Mazda CX-5. What do you think about this stunning SUV? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. See you in the next video.